Okay, next thing that you guys should do, or that I want to go through with you guys, would be the close reads on NewsELA specifically, because we're going to be using that website a lot. I want to make sure that you guys are following these steps. So, step 1, we already went over this, thieves, but preview the text. Don't just like dive right in and read. See what you can gather from the text before you even read. And then step 2 would be annotating the text. So kind of how I went through and highlighted certain things within the NewsELA article. You can do the same thing, but I want you to do it in this format. So yellow, if you select the text, yellow would be the main idea. So basically identify why this article was written and its focus. So what is the message that you're getting? What is the idea that you're supposed to get from this article? Green would be supporting details, so evidence, examples, facts, and descriptions that go with that main idea. Purple is vocabulary, so these would be the key terms that we talked about already. Same thing with when we were talking about thieves for visuals and vocabulary, those would be purple. And then red would be comments, questions, and connections. So anything extra that you find important that you want to make note of would just be in red. And then when you highlight important information in the text, you can also add a note, which I actually showed you guys that. But basically, here are some ideas for what you can type out if you wanted to. So why you thought this section of the text was important, how it supports the main idea, any connections you can make between what the text says and what you already know, questions you have about the text or points of confusion, and then explain why you agree or disagree with the author. So basically for this section, if you want to make a comment, you can literally make any kind of comment that's specific to you. So any connection that you're making to the text or anything that you think is important, you can use this here. Or you can use the add a note option. Then step 3 would be to respond to the writing activity on NewsELA. So do not take the quiz until instructed, but basically after you were done reading and highlighted, then you guys would do the writing. And then if you were instructed, you would do the quiz. So again, going back to that thieves model, you would know the ending questions. If you have any questions about this close reads on NewsELA specifically, please let me know.